Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly online. In this video, I just want to show you quickly how to connect your CEX Telegram app to the CEX main app itself. So what you want to do is to come to the task here, and then you can see this section. Okay, you should be under the news section, and then normally if you've not connected yours, you are supposed to see it under this new task. You can see special task, you can see all this daily task, special task, and then new task. Okay, new task, you should be able to see it under the list, but if not, um you have to go to the completed section, completed task, and then come down here. I think I've done mine. I can't really remember when I did it, but then just come to this place. You see register in CEX, so click on it. So it's going to take you to click on register, and then it's going to take you to what is it called, the Google Play Store. So you click on it. So if you've not done yours, you will see install here. So mine is saying update, so I'll just quickly update that in a jiffy. So I am done updating the app, so click on open. Just click on open. So as you can see, I think I've registered before, and I think I've connected, but I'm yet to verify. So but then you have to, if you've not registered, you are supposed to do the normal registration process. You registered your you register yourself, name, email, phone number, and all that. So you do that, and then you go to your email, and then you go and verify the email address. They will send an email to you, so you go and verify it in your email address. Then you go back to your CEX.io Telegram app. So you'll be given a code in your email to verify your email. So you make sure that you want to input it. You want to input it in verify email. You can see the one I underlined. So you make sure you input the code. Okay. They have been given in. They will give you in the instruction where to put it. So you fill it in. So next thing is for you to actually come and do the normal verification process and all that, your country, your city, and all that. When you are done, let me just quickly fill this in. So I want to quickly say something about this zip code of a thing. So you can see this zip code. This zip code is for the region I am in, Lagos. Okay. So you also need to know your own zip code. So you can just type in into Google your zip code for your area, maybe your city or something like that, or the town you are in, and then to bring it out. So you just pick it up, and then you fill it in, and then you continue to fill. Okay, and then you fill the remaining this thing too, but this particular one is optional, it's not compulsory. So I've clicked on next, and I'm now in the next page. So obviously I'm to fill in my phone number. Okay, and when I'm done, definitely I'll click on next again. Then next you choose the ID card type you want to use. So in my case, I want to use my national ID card. So I simply choose national ID card. The issuing country obviously is Nigeria, and then I'll click on next. So the next thing I'm to do is to take a screenshot of my national ID card, both the front side and the back side. So you'll be provided with stuff like this, and then your ID card has to be within the frame. Okay, both from the front side and the back side. So I've snapped my ID card, the front side and the back side, and I looked at it very well, and I clicked on readable because I was able to check it and it's readable. Okay, you see a small icon that look like a circle that you will use to read the whole thing. Just use it to go through the whole thing, scroll it, swipe it around the whole thing, and you'll be able to see everything that is written there. So once you are clear that it's readable, you click on readable, and then you will continue, do the same for the back side, and then you click on readable, and then it will bring you to this section where you fill in all these details. So I will do that in a jiffy. After I'm done, I will click on next. So I've clicked on next. So the next thing I'm to fill in is this serial number. Now for this serial number, if you are using international passports, you will see the serial number. I think it's A something something something. But I'm using my national ID card, and then what's going to be my serial number is my NIN number, my national ID card number. So that's that. I'll fill that in, and then of course the card that I'm using does not have expiry date. So I'm going to disable this. Doesn't have expiry. But if your own has expiry date, such as, for example, if you are using maybe driver's license, then you have to fill in the expiry date of your international passport or your driver license. Okay. So leave this thing on and then put in the expiry date. Okay, let me just quickly add this. If you are filling as I'm filling my national ID card or your national ID card, whatever serial number you are putting, if your own has space in between, such as the national ID card, please don't put any space. Okay, just write it together as one number. Okay, I believe that is very clear. Now you are supposed to take a selfie. Okay, now there is something I want to explain. By the time you click on this camera, it's going to bring two sections of the selfie, and you have to slide your what is it called now, your camera sideways. You have to turn it sideways so that one part your face will be on one part, and on the other part your ID card will be on one on the other part. So by the time you do it, you see it's there, and you place your face in one place appropriately, and then your ID card in the other section appropriately at the same time. And then make sure that your ID card is very, very visible. As you can see, it says rotate your device to landscape. Okay, so you just follow the instruction there. So as you can see, it says good news, congratulations, we've increased your limit and all that. So that's basically how to register on your CEX app and do your verification. Okay, so you can just click on continue. So ladies and gentlemen, I've cancelled that pop-up. You can see my CEX balance. Your CEX balance is there. So that basically, that's how to go about it, guys. So like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also join us in our Telegram and WhatsApp group where you get latest and quick updates. Okay, this is the Easy Earners Club. Bye.